All right, hey guys, Yulee here with Iron Valley Real Estate of North Florida, and I wanted to go ahead and start this recording of our virtual open house. So today I am going to show you the home tour that I've done for the property 503 Marsh Cove Lane, Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. And then I am going to go ahead and walk you through some of the pictures that I have taken and we'll go ahead and give you guys some extra information on it and let you guys ask any questions. Or if you don't have any questions, we will sign off and just leave it at that. So I am going to go ahead and share my screen. All right. So this is the video I did. Go ahead and watch it, ask any questions. 503 Marsh Cove Lane in Ponte Vedra Beach. I just wanted to show you guys this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo that is currently for sale for $325,000. Highly motivated seller. And let's take a tour. So this is the half bath. I'm right inside the front door. You'll see. All right. Then behind me is a storage room. And then I'm heading into the kitchen now. Dishwasher, stainless steel. Kitchen. All these appliances are matching. They are all Samsung and they convey with the property. All right, and then we're gonna move in a little bit further. This is the wet bar, an ice machine, and a little sink here. And then this is the living room, wood burning fireplace, awesome. Back door, and then this is the dining area, which is currently set up because, like I said, I am having an open house right now from 1 to 4. We're about to close up shop, but got some lovely goodies here, some charcuterie cups, sparkling water, regular bottled water, cookies, and then my sign. My awesome mortgage lady, she is Melanie Lamb, and she's offering 1% of the loan amount towards closing costs or rate buy down, which is awesome. This shows that there's a little bar area here. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out the back right now. This is the biggest selling point to me. So we do have a storage area in the back, screened in lanai here. And there are tiled floors. And then we're gonna go and check out, this is the outdoor part of the HVAC, which is actually less than 2 years old. Huge perk. And you can see, this is a gorgeous view here. Look at that. Oh, we got little duckies over here. I don't know if you guys could see them. They're right over there. And then some lush tropical landscaping, nice little sitting area. So, you could be sitting out here and enjoying the sunset with your drink of choice, or it could be morning time and having a coffee. Beautiful area. All right, let's keep going here. So now we're back in this area, and it does have a fan up there, so for those hot Florida evenings. And we're gonna go ahead and check out the upstairs. Beautiful going up the stairs, and there is a skylight, so you have plenty of natural light going through. All right, and then we've got your linen closet right here, and we're gonna go to the right. And this is one of the bedrooms. Both bedrooms do have ensuite bathrooms, full bath. Cute little setup in here. And then there's a walk-in closet. So you can see this bedroom, plenty of room in here, beautiful space. Then we're gonna move into the master bedroom, what is used as a master bedroom. You have both closets, nice closet system. And then you do have that view out to the water right here. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom area. And you have a little vanity here, which is perfect for anybody that wants to have a stool and have their makeup. And then we do have this cute little shower. And then you have the commode. Gorgeous space, guys. Like I said, 325. Seller's highly motivated. So send me those offers. I want to check them out. The buyer wants to see them. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me and let's see what we can do. All right, bye guys.
This is Melanie Lamb from First Coast Mortgage, and she's offering 1% of the loan amount credit incentive. And as you can see, you can use that towards your closing cost or rate buy down, which is an excellent deal. Obviously, the minimum loan amount is $200,000 for that. All of it put together, just a quick one. Obviously, here we go. All right, so this is the exterior, as I said before. For the building, the front, nicely lined by the conch shells. Front door, interior front door. This is the half bath, and you can see in the mirror that there's actually closet doors, and that is where the washer and dryer hookups are. And then this is the wet bar, the kitchen. And as I said in the video, the stainless steel appliances do convey. Nice Samsung set. And then this is your dining area and your living room, and it's an open floor plan, so they both go together. Nice wood burning fireplace that does work. There's that dining area shot and the wet bar and the stairs that go up. That little closet over there by the wet bar is actually a storage area. Dining area again. And then this is the master bedroom. And out that window, I said it in the video, I believe, but you can actually see that pond area outside the window, and it's actually very nice. And then you can see that the closet is the master bedroom closet, and it's actually that whole length right there. Right, and then this is the ensuite on the master bedroom, and you can see that that's an updated shower. It's tiled and very nice. Shot of the closet and of the bathroom in the other bedroom, and that is a walk-in closet. And this was set up for kids, so it's got the bunk beds in there. Walk-in closets, that bathroom. And then the best part is this lanai, this covered lanai. And then they actually are one of 4 units that has the bulkhead in that area. So you don't just walk into the water, you've got a little bit of area where you could stand there. And you can see the lush botanicals right there. That's a giant bird of paradise. And they've got all kinds of wonderful things right there. And that beautiful tree. They've got the lights set up in there. And then you do have that fan, and it's nicely tiled. There's that view. Beautiful view. And then this is just a sign for the condos. The map layout of the area. Mailboxes. And then you do have that clubhouse and that sitting area by the pool that comes with the HOA. Great shot of it. There's that sitting area. Nice sign. And then there's the tennis courts. Parking, and there's the office. So awesome. I know that a few of you had asked about the amenities, and that does include that pickleball and tennis court. It does include the pool and the clubhouse area. It covers the roof and the exterior of the building, insurance wise. And they do not allow rentals. There was only 8 units that were grandfathered in whenever it changed hands. And they no longer allow rentals in there except for those grandfathered in units. So this would be a purchase. And like I said, the seller is very motivated. So come with all of your offers. We're willing to look at them all. If you know anybody that's looking and you just want to see what it's like, go ahead and call me, get a hold of me. Let's do a showing. Let's get you in there. And hopefully we'll have this thing gone pretty quick. I know we've had a few things come in and we're just gonna wait for the right one. All right, guys. If there's no more questions, oh, okay. So the HVAC, it is less than 2 years old, and the water heater was replaced less than a year ago. So that is newer. All right. Well, go ahead and send me those offers, send me your referrals, and keep me in mind if you guys know anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. All right, guys. Have a good